Dear viewers, I hope you are all fine. This ultrasound video shows two cases. In one case that you are seeing, this case shows multiple ovarian cysts on both sides, bilateral ovarian cysts, multiple simple cysts and hemorrhagic cysts. You can see the urinary bladder and the ovarian cysts. These ovarian cysts of both sides have formed adhesions and are attached to each other. Now you can see the multiple cysts on both sides, and first we focus this right ovary, and this right ovary shows this one is a simple cyst, this is also a simple cyst, and this one is a hemorrhagic cyst. These are on the in the right ovary. The ovaries normally grow cyst-like structures called follicles each month. Follicles produce the hormones estrogen and progesterone and release an egg during ovulation. If a normal month follicle keeps growing, it is known as functional cyst. Most ovarian cysts are small sacs filled with fluid in the ovaries. They are called simple ovarian cysts. If an unexpected or enlarged ovary is found during a pelvic examination, you should have a vaginal ultrasound to assess for cancer. Now, there are hemorrhagic ovarian cysts also. As you can see in this case, these are the multiple left ovarian cysts. The right ovary also shows multiple cysts. Hemorrhagic ovarian cyst is an adnexal mass formed because of occurrence of bleeding into a follicular or corpus luteal cyst. Hemorrhagic cysts are commonly seen in clinical practice because hemorrhage into a cyst is usually painful, triggering the patient to consult the physician. Now you can see the left ovarian cysts. There are multiple cysts. The multiple cysts seen on both sides, on the both ovaries. Now these are the right ovarian cyst. This is hemorrhagic cyst. And this is the right ovary. Now this is left ovary, and it also shows multiple ovarian cysts. This is a simple cyst. This one is a hemorrhagic cyst. You can see the multiple internal echoes in this cyst due to the bleeding. This is also a hemorrhagic cyst. So both sides show multiple ovarian cysts. Now having a hemorrhagic ovarian cyst is not necessarily a problem. Many times these cysts do not cause symptoms and are often found during pelvic examination that is done for another reason. Now if the cyst is small or medium size and it is not causing any pain or other symptoms, then your doctor likely will recommend monitoring it. Now you can see the sizes of these multiple cysts. Quite large cysts are found in both ovaries. The collective area measures more than 11 into 9 centimeter in one side, and the other side has 10.5 centimeter into almost 7 centimeter. Now you are going to see the other video, and it shows ovarian cyst as well as a ovarian mass, left ovarian, and you will see both the uterus is midline. This is unibladder. This one is the uterus. Endometrium is slightly thickened. This is cervix. Now you can see an hemorrhagic ovarian cyst in the left ovary. A small cervical cyst is also visible. This one is cervical cyst. Now this is the right ovary and it looks echomechonormal. Now the ovaries are the sex organs that produce female hormones and store and release eggs between puberty and menopause. An ovarian mass may be cyst or a tumor growth which may be non-cancerous, benign, or a cancerous that develop in one or both of the ovaries. Now you can see the ovarian cyst, hemorrhagic ovarian cyst, and the ovarian mass lying side by side. And the ovary, is small portion of the ovary is seen to be impacted between this mass and the hemorrhagic ovarian cyst. Although the mass and the cyst both are not of a large size. Now this is the hemorrhagic ovarian cyst. You can see a significant amount of thick sludge, turbid fluid seen due to the bleeding in the cyst. The mouth and cyst both are round to oval in shape. The cyst has a significant amount of turbid fluid in its interior, while the mass has no fluid. It is a semi-solid to solid in consistency. A pelvic mass may represent either benign or malignant conditions. Symptoms of ovarian cyst masses or tumors may include pelvic pain, nausea, and vomiting. Now, symptoms of ovarian cyst are abdominal pain or bloating, constipation, increased urination, back pain, fatigue, heartburn, feeling full quickly. Ovarian tumors that are frequently associated with calcification include serous epithelial tumors, fibrothecoma, mature or immature teratomas, and Banner tumor. When bilateral complex ovarian masses are seen, metastatic ovarian tumors and serous epithelial tumor of the ovary should be considered. You can find some important information in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.